Hello everyone. I'd like to share with you my opinion of the Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter contemporary in case you're shopping for a lens for your wildlife photography, bird photography, and why this is my ultimate budget bird photography lens. It is very capable of getting great shots, and the majority of the pictures that I'm showing on this slideshow were taken at ISO either 800 minimum or 1600 maximum, and at the longer end of the lens 600 millimeter at f6.3. So the majority, 95% of the pictures were taken at 600 millimeter f6.3, and you can go as low as 1/200th of a second with the shutter speed. You can get away with getting really some, then again it depends on how steady your hands are, but the image stabilization on the lens is really very effective. So you can also, what's good about this lens is that you can get close to small subjects, because at the 600 millimeter you can really be at 2.8 meters from your subjects, and you can get really some great shot that way. And technically I should be shooting with a crop sensor. I should be shooting at 1/960th of a second, but with the image stabilization I can get as low as 1/200th of a second. So it is, like I said, it's really a very good lens for the money, and it gets the job done as far as I'm concerned. I've used some faster lenses, like the Canon 300 millimeter f2.8 USM. I've used also the Canon 100 to 400 millimeter Mark II. But the Sigma is really an excellent lens, because again of the focal length, you can shoot at 600 millimeter, and with wildlife photography most of the time we're far away from our subject, so that helps. And basically the lens comes as highly recommended, and I really love it. So I hope that helps you make up your mind, and you take care. I'm going to leave you with the rest of the pictures. Like I said, all these pictures were taken using a combination of the Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter contemporary and the Canon 7D Mark II. I hope you like the slideshow, and if you have any comments, if you would like to know the settings that I used for any of the pictures that are shown on the slideshow, I'll be more than happy to provide the exit file for you in the comment. You have a great day and take care.